Watch through to the end to find out exactly how much this repair could cost you. If you own a 2020 to 2022 Toyota RAV4, Highlander, or a 2022 Tundra, you may have heard about a mysterious HVAC issue affecting thousands of vehicles across North America. Owners have reported unexpected water pooling inside their vehicles, sometimes soaking carpets or collecting under the dashboard after rain or using the air conditioning. In some cases, drivers notice a persistent, unpleasant odor, often described as oily, greasy, or musty, coming from the air vents. These symptoms can appear suddenly, even in vehicles with low mileage and no history of flooding or major spills. If you're experiencing any of these issues, you're not alone. Online forums and social media are filled with Toyota owners searching for answers and sharing their frustrations. Some owners worry about mold growth, electrical problems, or long-term damage to their vehicles' interiors. The problem is widespread, with hundreds of complaints filed and many more unreported cases. Many drivers are left confused, unsure if the issue is due to a manufacturing defect, poor maintenance, or just bad luck. In reality, the root cause is a combination of design and material issues within the HVAC system, specifically the evaporator and drain hose assembly. Toyota has traced the problem to paraffin wax leaking from the evaporator, which can cause the drain hose to disconnect from the AC radiator. When the hose disconnects, water meant to drain outside the vehicle instead seeps into the cabin, leading to wet carpets and potential electrical issues. The resulting moisture can also create a breeding ground for bacteria and mold, which is why so many owners notice strange or unpleasant smells. Some drivers mistakenly believe the odor is caused by a dirty cabin air filter or spilled drinks, but replacing the filter rarely solves the problem. Others try cleaning the carpets or using air fresheners, only to have the smell return after a few days. The real solution requires addressing the underlying HVAC defect, not just masking the symptoms. This issue is not the result of owner neglect or improper use, it's a known problem acknowledged by Toyota. In response, Toyota released Technical Service Bulletin T-SB-0021-23, which outlines the cause, symptoms, and recommended repairs for affected vehicles. The bulletin was also filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration under ID 102444116, making the issue part of the public record. However, this is not a recall. Instead, Toyota has provided specific repair instructions to its dealer network. Dealers are instructed to confirm whether your vehicle has a start-stop switch, as only certain models are affected. Next, they inspect the HVAC system for a detached drain hose, signs of water intrusion, and any unusual odors. If the problem is confirmed, the recommended fix is to remove and replace the entire AC radiator assembly and install an updated drain cooler hose. This repair is covered under Toyota's basic warranty for 36 months or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. But if your warranty has expired, you may be responsible for the full cost of parts and labor. The repair process typically takes 5 to 6 hours, requiring skilled technicians and specialized tools. For many owners, the inconvenience of being without their vehicle for a day adds to the frustration. Some drivers have tried temporary fixes like reattaching the hose themselves or using aftermarket clamps, but these solutions rarely last. Only a full replacement of the affected parts, as outlined in the TSB, provides a permanent solution. If you suspect your vehicle is affected, document the symptoms with photos or videos and contact your local Toyota dealer as soon as possible. Be sure to mention the Technical Service Bulletin number and the NHTSA ID when discussing your case. Remember, this issue can affect your comfort, your vehicle's resale value, and even your health if mold develops. Don't ignore persistent water or odors. Addressing the problem early can prevent bigger headaches down the road. In summary, the Toyota HVAC issue is a known, well-documented problem with a clear technical explanation and a manufacturer-approved fix. By understanding the symptoms, causes, and solutions, you can take control of the situation and ensure your Toyota stays safe and comfortable. In the next section, we'll break down the costs involved and what you can expect if your vehicle needs this repair. With 5 to 6 hours of labor required for this repair, and typical dealership rates between $100 to $150 per hour, you're looking at $500 to $900 just in labor costs. The AC radiator assembly and updated drain hose typically cost between $300 to $600 for genuine Toyota parts. Aftermarket options might save you $100 to $200 on parts, so your total out-of-pocket cost for this repair will likely range from $800 to $1,500. Dealerships tend toward the higher end, while independent shops might offer savings. Before paying anything, verify your warranty status, and reference TSB T-SB-0021-23 and NHTSA ID 10244116 when talking to dealers. Always get multiple quotes and ask about aftermarket parts options. Some owners report success with simple drain hose reattachment and adding clamps to prevent future disconnection. However, full evaporator replacement requires professional expertise. When speaking with your dealer, be specific about the TSB number, and ask them to verify if your VIN falls within the affected range. This fix should permanently resolve both the water intrusion and odor issues. I hope this information helps you get your Toyota fixed properly and affordably. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Subscribe for more automotive tips and let me know in the comments if you've experienced this issue.